Hi y'all, Knife Detector here, and today I'm going to do an unboxing that was sent to me by Robert at Bluegrass Bushcraft, and I am very eager to see what's inside. We did a little trade a while back, and the knife that I traded for should be in that box, so I hope you enjoy the video. And I want to say, before I even open it, thank you so much, Robert. I know that whatever I find in there is a blessing from God, and I'm truly grateful for the gifts I'm about to receive. And I truly hope that you enjoyed the box I sent you as well. That was from the heart. And I want to wish you many continued blessings to you and your family. So, this is Knife Detector, and let's see what's in the box. Okay, let's see. To open this box, I'm going to use this little Congress that was gifted to me by John Aduccio, and I do hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly, John. Please forgive me if I didn't. And this little bad boy has some sharp blades that I've seen a lot of use, but should be plenty just fine for opening this box. So let's put it to use. Oh yeah, cuts through it like butter. No problems. All right, let's get at it. My goodness, what do we have here? Well, everything looks really well packaged, but I'm going to first open a couple of things at a time here. So let's see. First off, we have this piece. My gosh, it's like Christmas around here. Let's see. Man, I tell you what, this little knife John gave me cuts through things like they were butter. He must have put a serious edge on that thing. Alright, let's see. There's something in here, y'all. Let's see what this is. My goodness. There is a little something in here. Look at that. You know what that might be? To me, that looks like a Barlow. Is that a Barlow? Yes, indeed it is. It's a Barlow. You know, I haven't had many of these, and actually have been wanting a Barlow, and it's of the Ideal brand. Robert, one of the knives I sent you in that care package was also the Ideal brand. It was that little camp knife. So that's pretty cool. I like it very much. This is going to be some regular everyday EDC for me. Thank you so much. Wow, and I'm going to reuse that bubble wrap too. Very nice. Thank you so much. Let's see what we got here. Another one. This feels a little bit heavier. Trying to be careful not to overcut that little Congress knife. The little Congress knife just wants to cut everything in its path. Let's see. I'm going to be real careful with this. All right. Peel that back a little. It's coming, man. Robert, you really can package things. I'm not sure if it was you who packaged this or your wife, but you did a really good job. Hey, this feels kind of big, Robert. This feels kind of big. Feels like some kind of a copperhead style knife or something. What is this? Oh, this is the one. This is the one. This is the one we talked about. This is the one we traded for. Look at this beauty. It's pretty much a giant or a jumbo Stockman. Loving this knife, Robert. Thank you so much. Premium stock knife. It's got some snap. Beautiful. Looks like it was freshly oiled. Italy. And I don't have any knives from Italy. I have some knives from France, but none from Italy. Wow. That is really nice. I'm really digging that horn handle. And I'm not going to do a thing to it. I'm just going to keep it the way it is. I think it has so much character. Love these blades. These are oversized blades. Look at that oversized sheep's foot. Just to give you an idea, this is the Congress knife, and that's one blade. See, that's a pretty big knife. I like that. And this main blade, man, that main blade, that's about as big as the blade on a Buck 110. There it says Italy right there. A little bit of oil, freshly oiled. Real nice. Brass liners. I'm liking that a lot. I'm real happy, Robert. Thank you so much for that. And as if this were not enough, this to me would have been enough, Robert. There's something else in here, so let's see what's in it. Oh, come on. There's an actual fixed blade knife in here? You did not. You did not, Robert. I can't believe this. That's too much. That's too much, buddy. That is too much. Oh, no way. Look at that vintage sheath right there. Leather. Very nice. H15. It's an old Schrade Walden. Look at that. That's real nice. I tell you what, I'm going to cherish this. Very nice. Oh, look at that. That's got a razor sharp edge on that dog. Got to be careful with that one. That's a beautiful knife. Beautiful knife, Robert. Thank you so much. I greatly appreciate that. Feeling very fortunate today. I could not be happier right now. Just want to tell you I am extremely happy. You made my day today. Partner, you know, I hope you enjoyed the box I sent you as much as I enjoyed this one. And I want to tell you that I appreciate very much your wonderful comments that you make on my videos and your friendship. And I want to wish you and your family many blessings to come. And for those of you that are just tuning into my videos, and maybe this is the first video you come across, in my channel, I like to make videos of mostly vintage knives, knives that are seldom seen but that are still out there for people to find in flea markets, antique shops, garage sales, and this is the kind of thing I like. Robert pretty much sent me a fantastic sample of the things that I show on my channel, which I have some fixed blade knives, and I don't have this one, but he knows that I do collect some Schrade knives. This is a Schrade Walden. I will be using that. That's nice. Thank you so much, Robert. Thank you, Robert. And this knife is very unique. What makes this knife unique is the size. The size of this knife is unlike other Stockman. I've never seen a Stockman knife this big. It is 5 and looks like 5 1/4 inches long, something like that. Almost 5 1/4 inches long, and that's closed, guys. Open with the main blade out. We're talking about 9 1/2 inches. That is a substantial knife. So I know just the sheath I'm going to use for that knife. Once again, I'm so pleased, you know, and I feel very fortunate today. And many blessings to you, Robert, to your family, and to all of my viewers out there that might be watching this channel for the very first time. You know, there are beautiful knives out there to be had. Knives that are utilitarian, knives that are unique, and knives that have been passed on, in some cases from father to son, in some cases from one friend to another. So until then, this is Knife Detector signing off, hoping that you guys continue to have a blessed week. And if you like my channel, please like and subscribe. Y'all take care. Have a blessed day.